So write let
let
a equal to 5
a equal to
function, create one function.
yes sir.
Yeah, and inside this function type in line number 2 in b
Yes.
bracket type a. Yeah,
Here sir,
inside
in
bracket.
the parent.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay sir, yeah.
yeah. And in line number 3 type a equal to a multiply 2.
Yes sir.
Yeah, and in line number 5 type call the function,
Yes sir.
b parenthesis a. Yeah. And in line number 6 type console.log, and in console.log type
Yes sir.
yeah. Tell me the output and why.
Sir, output is 5 sir, I think so.
Why?
Sir, here inside function we are not nothing returning sir.
Okay,
So console it goes to a equal to 5, so I think so it prints 5.
okay, run the code.
Yes. Yes.
Comment this code and
Yes.
type.
Sir.
Yeah, and create one array.
Yes.
Yeah, great. And type a dot length equal to 0.
Length equal to yes. Sir.
Okay, and in line number 9 type console.log. Okay, a array.
Array sir.
Yeah, square bracket
Square
0.
0.
Yeah, tell me the output and why.
Sir, I think undefined sir.
Why?
Here we are making a dot length equal to 0, so array is cleared sir.
Okay,
So we are consoling a of 0 means it gives undefined I think so.
okay, run the code.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, great. And tell me what is closure.
So a function and along with its lexical scope bundled together forms a closure. Sir.
Okay, and what is event loop.
Sir, event loop is a thing that continuously monitors the call stack. Whenever the call stack is empty, it pushes the asynchronous code like promises or set timeouts like that. Micro task and macro task queues.
Okay, and tell me in arrow function why don't have their this method in arrow function. You
Sir,
got
I
my
know
point.
there is no. Ah, yes, sir. I know there is no this binding, but why I don't know. Sir.
Okay, and what is hosting in JavaScript.
Declarations are moving top of the scope. Sir.
Okay, can you give me one example.
Ah, yes, sir. Can I run this, sir?
Yeah, run the code.
Yes, sir. It gives undefined, sir.
Why?
Because here for where it in browser is allocate some memory, sir, not the value. So in the time of console hoisting, it gives undefined, sir, rather than error.
Okay, do one thing, comment this code and create one object obj.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, here create a key value pair a and 1.
Here with value one, sir.
Yeah, 1.
Yes.
Yeah, in line number 16 type.
16.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
type let
Let
b equal to obj,
b equal to obj.
and in line and in next line type obj equal to null.
Obj equal to null.
Yeah,
Yes.
and in line number 18 console.log b dot a.
B dot A.
Tell me the output and why.
So it also gives undefined, I think.
Okay, why?
Uh, Because in objects, sharing the reference are not only value. So here we are doing obj equal to null. So it clears a the key value pair a1. So we are accessing b dot a. It gives undefined, I think so.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I think.
Okay, run the code.
Yes. It gives one. Sir.
Okay, do one thing. Comment this code.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Create one array.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I want you to insert a number between 2 and 3.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. What?
I want you to insert one number like 99 between 2 and
Yes.
3. Like 1,
Okay.
comma 2, comma 99, comma 3, comma 4.
Yes, sir.
Got my point?
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. Yes, sir. Sir, I think it works.
And what is this splice method?
So splice method is used to mutate the array, sir. Like we are adding some elements and deleting some elements from the existing array.
Okay. And different between splice and slice?
So coming to a splice, it does not mutate the original array, but it returns some part of the array with our desired logic, sir.
Yeah, great. Okay, run the code. Why it is not coming? Where is
Uh,
99 and 1?
so maybe it deletes the one, I think.
Are you sure this is the correct method? Like this is the
Hmm.
correct syntax to splice?
No, sir.
Try again. Do it.
Okay, sir. I think it works, sir.
I want between 2 and 3.
Okay. Maybe this, sir.
Run the code and check it out.
Yes, sir.
Now 4 is also not coming.
Yes, sir.
You can try another method if you want.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm unable to do it, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. Just comment this code.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, and create one object.
Okay, sir.
Do one thing. Type name
Yes, sir.
and create a string
Yes, sir.
and type your name. Yasvita.
Yes, sir.
And in line number 24, type obj dot name equal to string type second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And in line number 24, console it console.log obj dot name. Tell me the output.
Yes, I think it gives seconds or as output.
Okay. And what if I want to I just want to console just with R. I don't want my object should change.
I
How
think
can
we
I?
use object dot freeze, I think.
Okay. And in JavaScript, if you have empty string, that empty string is a truthy value or falsy value.
False value, sir.
Okay. So do one thing. Comment this code
Yes, sir.
in line number 26. Type console.log.
Yes, sir.
Not double not create a string.
String, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Type false.
yes, sir.
And in line number 27, type console.log uh, double not and false. False.
Double one.
False. False. Just type false.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me the output.
Sir, first one is true, sir.
Okay.
Second one is false, sir.
Why?
Because here we are passing string, so it treated as truthy value, sir. In the 27th line, this false is treated as 0, sir. 0 is false value.
And for the 27?
Yes, sir. 27 is this false is treated as 0, sir. So it gives false only, sir.
Okay. Are you sure these are the correct answer?
Yes, sir. For this true and 27th line, it gives false, sir.
Okay. Run the code.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's great. Tell me, in React,
Yes.
are you using functional component or class component?
Functional components only, sir.
Why? Why not class?
So, in my opinion, class components are tough, sir, because using of constructors and these binding. So I choose personally functional components are easy and understandable. So
Okay. Have you ever used class component?
no, sir, not.
Okay. So if you never use class component, when you compare
Yeah.
between both,
Sir, at the time of learning, I ask AI to compare between class and functional, which are easy to understand as a fresher. So it gives functional component is easy.
okay. And what is event bubbling?
Sir, event bubbling means the event start from the target to top level, sir.
And what is template literal?
By using the template title, we can access the value, sir. Can I tell with examples, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Can I run this, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. It gives like.
Okay. That's great. Okay. Tell me the how many types in hooks in React.
Sir, I know two types, sir. One is inbuilt hooks, and the second one is custom hooks.
Tell me the name of inbuilt.
Use state, use effect, use memo, use callback, use reducer, etc.
Okay. Tell me one thing. When use effect hook run,
Sir, it depends on the dependency array, sir.
okay, so it will run when only if we give any dependency to use effect, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any other way?
Sir, we are not giving any dependency array. It runs on every render, sir.
Repeat again.
If it does not pass any dependency array,
Okay.
then the use effect can run on every render, sir. Every page render.
Okay. What is use contact?
Sir, use
Contact.
contact. I didn't heard about use contact, sir.
Okay. Do one thing. Create one array
Yes, sir.
and put any random number like 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, sir.
No, do one thing. Remove
Yes,
this
sir.
number. Yeah, yeah. No, no. Create one
Okay,
array.
okay. Yes, sir.
Type 1, 2,
1, 2,
comma 4, comma 5.
4, 5.
Yeah. I want you to find the missing number.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think it works, sir.
Okay, so what with the output?
Three, sir, I think so.
Okay, run the
Can
code.
I run?
Yeah,
Yes. Yes, sir, it works.
great. And what is reconciliation in React?
So reconciliation means the comparison of uh, real DOM and the virtual DOM, sir, and updating that.
Okay. So tell me, like, we have already real DOM, right? So
Yes, sir.
why we need virtual DOM?
So, if the virtual DOM is not present, only real DOM is present. When we make changes, it updates it checks line by line, so where the update is happens. So it takes very long time, sir.
Okay.
When
And
virtual DOM is present, it compares only the changed part, so it's easy.
so tell me five, six method to improve or to enhance our React application.
Okay, sir. By using React.memo, use callback, use memo, uh, code splitting and lazy loading.
And what is code splitting?
Sir, I don't know, but I seen in one website, sir. I think optimization techniques they give code splitting. Sir.
Okay. Do you know what is CSR and SSR?
Client side rendering and server side rendering. I think so, sir.
Okay. Tell me the difference between.
I don't know clearly, sir, but I think in server side rendering, it it related to backend. I think so.
Okay.
In client side rendering, I mean we change props or we change states, then the page renders. It means equal to client side rendering. I think.
Okay. Tell
I'm
me
not sure.
the type of function. Like if we write console.log